Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center video classroom, and today we will learn the simple past tense. Sağdaşlar yaxşımısызlar? Endi bugun shu oddiy o'tgan zaman holatini o'rganmoqchi. Andaqda avval shu oddiy o'tgan zaman degan nima? Deganga bir aniqlik berib o'tsak. Andaqda shu grammatika o'rganganda intime bo'yin bo'lgan bir narsani aytsam, shu har xil zaman holatlarini bir farqlantirish uchun biz darsimizningki oldin qismlarda masalan oddiy hozirgi zaman, masalan oddiy hozirgi zaman holati, kelgusi zaman degan zamonlarni o'rgangan. Endi bugünkisi nima aytsam, o'tgan zaman. Endi o'tgan zaman deganimiz endi shu o'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtda yoki shu o'tgan zamonda bo'lib o'tgan ish harakat va yoki shu vaqtda mavjud bo'lgan har xil holat, aloyidlik, har xil xarakterlarni umumlashtirib biz shu o'tgan zaman holati deb ishlaymiz. Endi bu o'tgan zaman bo'lish uchun qanday desanglar, cho'qim o'tganda qanday bo'lish kerak desanglar, yuz bergan, yuz berib bo'lgan bo'lish kerak. O'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtda. Andaqda biz Uyg'urchada deymiz, shunama, ma bola birobdan bolaydi. Bu degan gap hamda bu bola qanday desanglar, bu birobdan bolaydi. Demak, burun shundaqda, lekin hozir qanday desanglar, unda emas. Degandek. Shunama, yoki bu odam bek baland odamda, rahmatli, yaxshi odamda degan muomalatni bersangiz, shu o'tgan zaman, demak shu o'tgan vaqtga ma'lum bir o'tgan vaqtga bir nima holat mishalga. Endi bu o'tgan zaman albatta shu vaqt ravishlari bilan birga keldi. Abaydan sizlarga cho'qim o'tgan zamandagi yoki o'tmishdagi aniq vaqtda yuz bergan ish harakat yoki shu vaqtda mavjud bo'lgan har xil holatlar, aloyidlik, xususiyat va xarakterlarni adeta umumlashtirib shu o'tgan zaman altida emas. Aniqda masalan bu shu o'tgan zamonda ko'p uchraydigan ba'zi vaqt ravishlari bor. Qarab baxsak, yesterday morning, okay, yesterday deganimiz tunugun, shunami? Yesterday morning, tunugun attigan. Yesterday afternoon, tunugun tushdan keyin. Endi bu morning degan tushdan burun degan gap savodashlar. Bu taxminan shu attigandan tong'atgandan tortib, demak shu attigandan toki 12 gacha bo'lgan shu bo'lak vaqtni morning deymiz, jumi? Shunga odatda biz in the morning deydigan gap. Ma afternoon degan joyda sanlar soat 12 dan keyin toki 4:30 gacha bo'lgan oraliqni nima deymiz? Sanlar afternoon deymiz, afternoon. And the last night, okay, last night, tunugun kecha. Ma night deganimiz kecha, last week, okay, o'tgan hafta, last month, o'tgan oy, last year, o'tgan yil. Demak, endi shu aniq bir vaqtni ifodalab beradi. Yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, last night, last week, last month, last year degandek. Okay, endi misharga last degan eng oxirgi yana bir ma'nosi oldingi degan gap. Oldingi yoki o'tgan hafta, o'tgan oy, o'tgan yil degandek-chi. Undan keyin yana cho'rsanlar, yesterday, mesela the day before yesterday. Endi mana qarasanglar, the day before yesterday. The day iliq bir kun, yoki kun, shu aniq bir ko'z sotgan kunni ko'rsatdi. The day before yesterday. Tunugundan burunqi kun. Bu tunugundan burunqi kun degan nima? O'lish kun bo'ladi. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. Yoki masalan yana vaqt ravishlarini yana nimani ifodalash bo'lursan, ago. Okay, ago, like an hour ago, bir soat burun. Bularni diqqat talaffuz qilganda ma hour, ma h qanday qilinmaydi desam, talaffuz qilinmaydi. Buni hour deb o'qimaymiz. Bu nima desanglar? Hour. An hour. Uningdagi ma n ni qo'yganda mo yana bir diqqat qilganimiz, shu ismlarningki talaffuz qilganda birinchi tovush so'ziq tovush harfi bo'lsa, yoki so'ziq tovush bo'lsa, undan keyin anni qo'yamiz. Agarda so'ziq tovush harfi bo'lsa, anni qo'ydik, uzuk tovush harfi bo'lsa, bunday qo'yildik desak bo'lmaydi. Va tovush bilan harfni almashtirib o'tishga qanday desanglar bo'lmaydi. Tovush degan eng kichik birlik. Shunami? mishariki masalan I, A, I mushul nima tovush. Endi bu yerga hour deganimiz nima? Masalan, ikki tovush. Birisi al qo'shma tovush, yana birisi ro ikki tovush tuzilgan hour. Buningga harfga qaramaymiz, nimaga tovush qaraymiz. Shunga buni an hour ago. Agar men ayt talaffuz qilmagan ekan, an hour ago. A week ago. Okay, nima? Hafta burun. A week ago. A month ago. A year ago. Hafta burun, bir ay burun, bir yil burun. Demek endi shu vaqt ravishlardan demek hammasi nimani ifodalab keldi? O'tmishni. Hammasi shu o'tgan zamon holatini ifodalab keldi. Yoki nima desanglar before ilgari degandek. Undan keyin yana birga shu BPL ning o'tgan zamon shaklidan masalan BPL deganda biz ko'rsatgan fe'llar shu yordamchi fe'llardan am, is, are. Okay, endi bularning o'tgan zamon shakli, ma'u am bilan isning o'tgan zamon shakli was, are ning o'tgan zamon shakli were. Was, were. Was, yani nima? Were. Okay. Undan istab ham nima yara? I am a teacher. Ma'u nima desanglar? Ma'u oddiy zamondagi shakli. Endi oddiy hozirgi zamondagi oldina I am a teacher. Men hozir bir o'qituvchi. Demak, ma'u nima desanglar, mushu hozirning o'zida mavjud bo'lgan shakl. Demakki, mushu vaqtda, men degan vaqtda mavjud bo'lgan shakli bu oddiy hozirgi zamon shakli. I am a teacher. Endi I was a teacher before. Endi men ilgari qandatim bir o'qituvchi edim. Endi bu yerga endi I was a teacher, remember o'qituvchi edim degani endi nima desanglar, bu o'tgan zamonga tayyorladi. Agar endi I was a teacher before, men ilgari o'qituvchisin degan bo'lsam, demak hozir qanday emas? O'qituvchi emas. Va yoki desam I was a student before. Yoki I was a student 10 years ago. Okay. Men 10 yil burun bir o'quvchi edim. Demek endi ilgari o'quvchi, endi hozir nima desanglar, mening oltim qadar desanglar, o'qituvchi. Demek endi shu o'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtga yoki o'tgan vaqtga bir holat. Shunami? And he was a teacher. U bir o'qituvchi edi. He was a teacher. Masalan, you were a teacher. Bular nima desanglar, shu o'tgan zamon oldi bo'ldi. O'tgan zamon. Endi qarab baqsanglar, bu yerda igisini o'xshamaslik asosan, masalan, birinchi shaxsniki am shunami was. I was a teacher, he was a teacher, you were a teacher. Siz bir o'qituvchi edingiz. Endi mishariki were deganimiz hanim bo'ldi desanglar, shu orninki o'tgan zamon shakli. Where deb o'qisa qilmaymi? Were. What? O'rganganmi? Were. Endi buni jumla shakli qanday bo'ldi desangiz, saqlashda avval igisi. Ega degan shu ish harakatni paydo qiluvchi, shunami? Undan keyin BPL ning o'tgan zamon shakli. Undan keyin boshqalar. Boshqalar. Masalan, he was short in 2010. Endi 2010-yili paqa edi. Demak, hozir igizlab ketdi degan gap. Bu nima o'tmishdiki bir holat. Uni paqaligi o'tmishdikisi. Shunami? Hozir ham qanday desam, balki o'zgargan bo'lishi mumkin. She was in London last year. O'tgan yili Londonda edi. She was in London last year. Demak, hamda bu o'tmish shunami? Balki hozir boshqa yerda bo'lishi mumkin, balki London bo'lishi mumkin. Biz uqmaymiz shunami? O'tgan yil shu vaqt edi. Demak, o'tgan yil uning altini ekan, London ekan. You know, we were with him yesterday. Tunugun biz uning bilan birga edik. With him billah shunami? We were with him. Masalan, this dress was in fashion last year. Okay, endi men yerga in fashion degan moda degan gap. Demak, hamda bu ko'ylak ayollarningki osti usti qo'shash uzun ko'ylak nima deymiz? Dress deymiz. Bu ko'ylak qanday o'tgan yili naytdi. Moda edi. Moda edi bu o'tganda. Masalan, they were in park an hour ago. Okay, bir soat burun ular nima edi? Bog'chada edi. Demak, hamda shu o'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtda yuz bergan ish harakat va yoki bo'lgan ish faoliyatlar Shuningdek mavjud bo'lgan aql holat, xarakter deganga o'xshash mushlarni deymiz. Masalan, o'tgan zaman deymiz. There was a big tree near the door. Okay. Bu yerda yo'g'on bir nim bor edi, bir daraxt bor edi. Demak, hamda bu o'tmishga aylanib ketdi degan gap, hamda hozir yo'q degan gapda hamda. Biz nima deymiz, bu rahmatlik bir obdan bek baland odam edi. Demak shu, qanda hozir yo'q degan gap. Yo'q degan gap. Hamda bu shu o'tgan zamonga aylandiganda, bu shu BP bilan kelganda qanaqa qilganmiz? Shu BP ni o'tgan zamonga aylantirsak bo'ldi. Okay. Hamda bu jumlaning savol shaklini yasash uchun qanday qilmaysiz desanglar, shu BP-ni, ya'ni BP-ning o'tgan zaman shaklini qanday qilmaysiz desanglar, oldiga o'tkazib qo'yamiz. Masalan, she was in London last year bo'lsa, was she in London last year? O'tgan yil Londonda bitdi. Agar bo'lsa, bu oddiy savol jumlaga desak, yes he was, no he wasn't. Yo'q bo'lsa, no he wasn't. Okay, endi ma'nosi was this dress in fashion last year? Bu ko'ylak o'tgan yil modimiti? In fashion last year o'tgan yil modimiti? Okay, yes it was. No, it wasn't. Yo'q, mod emas. Endi bacha were they in park an hour ago? Ular bir soat ilgari bog'chada edimi? Yes, they were. Okay, no bo'lsa, no, they weren't. No, they weren't. So was there a big tree near the door? Bu shu ishga qiyada yo'g'on daraxt bormidi? Okay. Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. And then bu shu there be shaklniki, masalan, there is ning keyindan birga sanog'ini bo'lmaydigan simni keldi, yana birga nim kelsa adashlar, sanog'ini bo'lgan simning birli shakli keldi. Shunama there is a book. Agar bar edi bo'lsa, there was a book. Shunama there was a book. Hamda bu jumla inkor shakli qanday desanglar, BP ning keyiniga, ya'ni BP ning o'tgan zaman shaklining keyiniga natni qatamiz. Masalan, he wasn't short in 2010. She wasn't in London last year, and they were not with him yesterday. Demak, hamda mushning keyiniga natni qatdik. The dress was not in fashion last year. They were not in park an hour ago. There wasn't a tree near the door. Demak, asosan bu shu BPL'ni ishlatishiga o'xshash, oldiga o'tkazsak savol shakli, keyin natni qatib qo'ysak ham qanday bo'ldi desanglar, shuningki, nimasi chiqadi desanglar, shuningki asl. Okay guys, listen to the text very carefully. And after you're listening, I will ask a couple of questions.
Hello. Were you at the butcher's? Yes, I was. Were you at the butcher's too? No, I wasn't. I was at the greengrocer's. How's Jimmy today? He's very well, thank you. Was he absent from school last week? Yes, he was. He was absent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. How are you all keeping? Very well, thank you. We're going to spend 3 days in the country. We're going to stay at my mother's for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the country. Aren't you lucky?
Okay, guys. So first was Mrs. Johnson at the butcher's. Was Mrs. Johnson at the butcher's? Johnson Hanım go'sht dukkanida idimi? Was it? Yes or no? Maybe no, she wasn't, right? She wasn't at the butcher's. Okay. Where was she? Where was she? Well, Natty did. She was at the greengrocer's. O sayko'ktat dukkanida idi. Demak hamda musharika she was shuniki nima shakli o'tkazilma shakli. Who was at the butcher's? Who was at the butcher's? Can you answer? Who was at the butcher's? Aslan valla kim mushu go'sht dukkani dedi? Who is this? Mrs. Williams. Yeah, Mrs. Williams was. All right. O'gamiz qarab bag'inglar bu tekstga. Masalan, o'zingizning kitob bilan birlashtirib ko'rsanglar, were you at the butcher's? Were you at the butcher's? And that siz qas go'sht dukkanida edingizmi? Were you at the butcher's? Yes, I was. Were you at the butcher's too? Sizmi go'sht dukkanida sizdimi? Sizmi go'sht dukkanida edingizmi dedi. Demak, endi birinchi jumlaga savolashlar. You were at the butcher's. Siz bo'lsangiz go'sht dukkanida shunami? Odatda biz kichik o'rinlarga nimani qo'ydik desanglar, atni qo'ydik ayada. Endi buni savollarni qanday qilib topsanglar, BP dedi, oldiga o'tib o'tsaklar nima bo'ldi desanglar, savolga aylandi. Demak, shunda bo'lganda, were you at the butcher's? Siz go'sht dukkanida edingizmi? Siz uydami edingiz deganda nima deymiz? Okay, siz uyda edingizmi? Uyda edingiz tunugun? Deganda, masalan, were you at home? Okay, were you at home? Siz maktabda edingiz? Were you at school? Okay, shunami? Were you at school? And siz qahvaxonada edingizmi? Were you at the cafe? Okay. Yes, I was. Were you at the butcher's too? Men shu aytdim, sizmi? So no, I wasn't. I was at the greengrocer's. Yo'q, men u yerda emasdim. Men mushu sayko'kdan dukkanida edim. I was at the greengrocer's. So how was Jimmy today? Andaqda Jimmy qandarak deydi. How is Jimmy today? Bugun Jimmy qandarak? So he's very well, thank you. O'nayt yaxshi, rahmat. Was he absent from school last week? Okay, endi men yerga absent degan oldin darsimiz degandik. No, mush darsimiz yo'q. Bu nima degan gap desanglar, yig'inga, maktabga kelmaslik shunami? Demakchi, he was absent from school. U maktabga qanday qilmadi, bormadi. Endi bu keyingi o'tgan zaman vaqt ravishini olsak, bu yerda holat bo'lib keldi-ku, last week. Masalan, he was absent from school last week. U o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadi. Endi u o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadi shunami? Endi u o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadimi desak, shu BP ni o'tgan oldini olg'ilab o'tganmiz. Shuni bilan nima aytsam? So, was he absent from school last week? Yes, he was. Yes, he was. He was absent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, Thursday. Demakchi, u maktabga dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba hamda payshanba qanday qilib borolmabdi. Odatda mush kunlarning oldiga bolalar nima qo'yamiz? On. And then aniq vaqt oldiga cho'risanglar at. Masalan, at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock degandekchi. So how are you all keeping? Okay, endi men yerga how are you deganimiz, hamda ahvolingiz qanday degan gap. And how are you all keeping? Demak, endi men yerga bu ig'iz tilda ishiltirgan jumla bo'lib, hammalarning salomatligi qanday? Keeping degan hamda shu bir xil ishni davomlashtirmoq demakchi. Siz salomatligingizning saqlash qandaroq yoki qanday ketib bordi salomatliginglar demakchi. How are you all keeping? Sana valan qandaroq. Very well, thank you. Way night yaxshi. Rahmat sizga. Demak, endi Johnsondan so'rabdi-da. Chunki men Williamsning uyidagilar masalan balsa ag'rib qoldi shunami? Uning agishib Mr. Williams qanday qildi? Ig'ir zukam bilan ag'rib qoldi. Hamda how are you all keeping? Very well, thank you. You know, we are going to spend 3 days in the country. Wow, biz 3 kunni mushu sahrada o'tkazmoqchi deydi. We are going to spend. Hamma yerga spend deganimiz o'tkazmak. Masalan, spend time vaqt o'tkazmak. Spend money pul o'tkazmakmi? No. Pul hashlamak. Spend money. And spend holiday bayram o'tkazmak. Demak, endi we are going to. Demak, endi bular mush pat yaqinda yuz bermoqchi ekan bu sharkat shunami? Onasi planlab qo'yibdi. We are going to spend 3 days in the country. 3 kunni yuzda o'tkazmoqchi. You know, we are going to stay at my mother's for the weekend. Nima? biz shu opamning uyida qanday qilmoqchi for the weekend o'sha taxircha to'lmoqchi. We are going to stay at my mother's for the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the country. Okay, Friday, Juma, Shanba, Shanba, Sahrada. Aren't you lucky? Okay, we nimdigen talaylik deydi. Endi are you lucky siz talaylik mu degan gap. And aren't you lucky degan siz talaylik emasmi degan gap hamda bu. Siz nima degan talaylik degan gap. Bu nima desanglar? İnkar savol jumla odatda nima desanglar? Bu naq bo'lishlik jumla bo'ldi. Masalan biz qaydab deymiz, "Appo, men sening balang emasmi?" Biz albatta balasi shundami? Shu balasi o'g'acha men balang emasmi demakchi. O'y sen men sening balangtim go degandan direkt turdi. Tushundingmi? Endi sen yaxshi o'quvchi emasmi degan gap, siz yaxshi o'quvchi go degan gap. Siz o'quvchi emasmi degan gap shu. Siz o'quvchi tыңызгы, siz o'quvchiga loyiq ish qilmadingizgı degan gap. Demak, aren't you lucky? Sizga talaylik ekansiz ya degan gap shu. Okay, endi mana son talabag'lar how's Jimmy today? Masalan, nima deymiz? How's Jimmy today? A, L, B, very well, C, very bad. Birinchisi og'rib qoldi. Ikkinchisi night yaxshi. Very bad, night eski. Qaysi? Okay, of course B, very, very well. So was he absent from school last week? Was he absent from school last week? U o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadimi? Yes, we know it couldn't say. It doesn't say u deyilmagan. Qaysi? Yes, he was absent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday and Thursday, right? So how many days was Jimmy absent from school? A, 2 days, B, 3 days, C, 4 days. Of course, it's 4 days, right? Okay, so deal of the week. Amsa mushu arabangla. Masalan, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Demak bu vaqtda nima? Jimmy absent from school, right? And Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Johnson's family in the country, right? The Johnson's family in the country. Okay. So where were you on Monday, February 2nd? I was at school. Okay. Masalan, jumla qarab baqsanglar, where were you on Monday? Siz dushanba kuni nada edingiz? Okay. February 2nd, I was at school, right? Where were you at school? I was at school on Monday, February 2nd. And mana jumla qarab baqsak, musharika naritingiz, men maktabda tingiz. Siz qachon maktabda tingiz desa, shu February 2nd. Endi musharika at nima desam, shu kichik o'rinlar keladi. Masalan, bir maktab degan bir shaharga nisbatan yoki bir davlat nisbatan inta kichik o'rin. Musharika nima keladi desam, at. Masalan, do'konlar, shunami? Masalan, at the greengrocers, at the butchers, go'sht do'konida, at the dentists. Okay, endi shu amaliyot keyinda shop degan bor, do'kon degan gap. U amaliyot qisqarib ketgan. Shunga aslam qolgan, masalan butchers, dentists, doktorxonasi, hairdressers, soatrashxona, at the stationaries, madaniyat buyumlar do'koni, at my mother's, anamning uyi. Okay, amaliyotda my mother's house, yoki my mother's home degan gap. Shunga qisqarib ketgan. Bo'ldi vallah, bugun shu o'tgan zaman altini yaxshi takrorlab, topshiriqni yaxshi ishlang. Bo'ldi. That's all for today. See ya.